BISINFOTECH. We are at Convergence India 2026. With us, we have Mr. Manoj Dhanda, founder and CEO of Utho Cloud. So let's talk to him and gain some insights about the industry and their company. So, sir, Utho Cloud has positions itself as a made in India company. So, how do you differentiate yourself from other global companies like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure?
So it is all about understanding the customer requirement. So if we look at and understand our customer, which is from the India and outside India as well. So within the India, data is most important nowadays. The people are building their own AI models, train their models, putting heavy investment on the GPUs, hire AI engineers, and just imagine if after 3 or 4 years your data gets suspended or get withdrawal from your accounts, what will happen? All of what you spend for 2 3 years will get collapsed, right? And this already happened with multiple organizations. So this is very important. Another stuff is to have the control on the cost. When you spend on the GPU, it scale massively, right? And if you try to control it, it's quite difficult. So if you control it from the day one, that is the better strategy. So if we look at the customer side, understand these pain points. One is data control, which is sovereignty. Second is price control. If you build something, you should have that control, and support services, which is very, very important. If you're building something in the modern technology, you should have the partner side you, so that if you need anything, you can ask for the help. You can uh, ask help in the midnight to solve infrastructure challenges if anything happen. It is not like you have to submit a long support ticket, wait for almost 24 to 48 hours. And with different hyperscalers, the biggest challenge is even if you need to talk to them, you have to wait for the 24 hours time window, and that too after paying thousands of dollars.
So, can you walk us through your core cloud infrastructure, including your data centers and performance, and how do you optimize latency and in Indian enterprise?
Sure. So our data centers are in India. We have three regions in India. One is Delhi, Bangalore, and Mumbai. Why three regions? As you said, how you maintain the latency. Latency is very important for user experience. How sooner the data can be downloaded, uploaded from the user site. Uh, Data center that we are using, we don't build ourselves. These are the same data center used by these hyperscalers. So we use tier 3 and tier 4 data centers. So all the certifications, data centers are like Entity, IOTA, Control S. So these are the data center that we are partnered and work with, so that at least the people can get the same kind of reliability and the latency benefit after multi-regions deployments. They should not be, look at for the hyperscalers which have one or two regions in the country. So now people can have their own DR setup between the three sites.
So, are you planning to expand yourselves? I mean, I don't think so. You want to limit yourself into three reasons only.
No, definitely. If you look at the history of Utho, we are keep growing. We are keep listening our customers, understand their actual pain point, what they want to solve. So what I truly understand is if customer asking something or saying something to you and you listening carefully and you building or delivering that specific product or service to customer on time or before time, that is a win. So that is something we are doing. So we were before in the CPU cloud. Now we are also offering AI GPU cloud. So customers can host their CPU and AI workloads. And this is because we are listening. And when you listening, you will be always growing. So we are also looking to build the data center outside India even when customer host locally for the sovereignty, and some of the foreigner customers who want to host their models in India to save the cost and then same time have the DR location at their own countries. So we are doing that.
So Utho claims to offer a significant cost advantage over hyperscale. What enables this pricing model, and how do you ensure reliability and uptime alongside effectively?
So, if we come to cost, as I said, for the customer as well, we should be focused saving the cost from the day one, not after day 100, right? We focus this on the day from the day one, and that's why we built the platform in house. We have the complete orchestration. Uh, we don't need to pay licensing to the different proprietary softwares. Along with that, we have benefit of complete true sovereignty because everything is built on the open source, everything and then build and modify in house. So when we build and do things in house, the cost gets cheaper. And then if we look at the data center part of the hardware, that is completely Indian, that is completely outsourced. So we don't need to build the large infrastructure. So that's why to optimize this, but to be same reliable and reliant for the customers, we use same data centers, same infrastructure, and then in-house software building teams.
So, as we know, data sovereignty is becoming increasingly critical in India. How does Utho address compliance, security, and data protection requirements for enterprise?
As I said, the complete platform is built in-house in India only. We don't have any dependency for any proprietary softwares or any proprietary or any outside India data centers. So when the company registered here, the founding team and other teams are sitting in India, building anything in India. Data is hosted in India. So we are completely aligned with the DPDP Act, and so the sovereignty. So anything host in our servers, no logs, no session files is go outside India. Like if you compare to any hyperscalers, even though if your data hosted in India, still your logs, your sessions, what exactly you're consuming is going outside India, maybe using to train different models. We don't do that. It's complete open. Anyone can use, anyone can destroy any of the data without worry that we are keeping or not. We don't keep any data.
So, looking ahead, what are your key focus areas and growth priorities for the next 18 to 24 months, particularly in India's evolving cloud and AI infrastructure?
In the large scale, we always educate customers to use the sovereign clouds to protect their own workloads, protect their own money, and the investment they put in the people, right? To build any new age AI models. We are working toward providing high grade CPUs, which can be efficient for the inferencing as well as for the training, and also one click deployment for any workload which is can deploy agentic AI without even deploy different set of GPU workloads. So we are building a Gen AI platform where people can deploy any models with applications like Open API, N10, OpenClaw, and build their complete ecosystem with the agentic. So from, let's say, if anyone needs to do the marketing, they don't need to hire the content writers. They don't need to hire the researchers. There will be multiple agents in the same ecosystem. One agent will generate the content, research about the customer profile. Another will send the emails or might be research on the LinkedIn and reaching out to the customers with the direct messages. Same like the humans. So people will able to have the complete ecosystem without any worry to handling the GPUs, workloads, configuring them. It will be just become available on a single click. So this is I think will be a game changer.
That's great. So, do you have any messages for your customers?
I think you should see what exactly happening outside India and then where the industry is going. I truly believe fast learning and fast action taking is the winning. And the first of all, listen your own customers. Our growth strategy is always listen to the customers, understand what they try to get, and how you can deliver that experience or product or services. That is the key.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. It was nice talking to you. Thank you.